Hi, how are you? I'm Ichang-ki. When the computer enters the lock screen, advertising information and tips is float. The computer says, I want to take a break from the lock screen. Ha! Will you give me a rest? Okay. Click the Start button. Click Settings. Click Personalization. Click Lock Screen on the left. Do you have a show screen background picture on the sign-in screen entry? It will be on. Click on the item to turn it off. 짠! Advertising information and tips will no longer appear on the lock screen. So, this lecture ends here. So far, this has been Ichang-ki. Thank you.